Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize and manage your email notifications on Canary Mail in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, start Canary Mail, and a quick explanation. You can connect external inboxes from email services like Gmail, etc., and Outlook, ProtonMail, Yahoo, and receive these and manage these through Canary Mail account. And on default, you should receive notifications, for example, sound notifications, whenever there is a new email in your connected inbox. And you can turn on or turn off these notifications. Let me show you how. So you will need to access your notification settings. To do that, navigate to that left panel here and then click into Preferences. And here inside your account settings, navigate to Notifications. And here simply go through that list. For example, you can enable smart notifications, you can disable that sound or change the sound here, or for personal for your personal section, which includes basically your connected inbox, you can disable notifications entirely. You can customize notifications like sounds for read recepts, and simply click into that drop down menu and select the sound, for example, or turn these off entirely, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.